on our way to Niue right now, and we're doing 6 knots and better, which is really rare for our Mito. It's really nice right now. It's one of the first days that the sun has been shining. It's been mostly cloudy, and matter of fact, it's still mostly cloudy, but the sun's out. And what a difference that makes. I don't know. It's kind of bright over there. I just mashed my gut over a little bit here. But it's blowing about about 18 to 20 knots right now. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. This is really what sailing is about when it's nice like this. But it's not too uncomfortable. Motion is easy. We're sailing downwind. You can see here, the jib is pulled out, and the main is on the opposite side here. That's probably going to be a really lousy picture, but that's it. That's going to be a long one, I think.